Hey YouTube, Consulting Joe here with another video. Today we are going to do some parametric modeling. And what is that? That is when you create parameters for your 3D model so that you can simply update the parameter and everything will adjust accordingly. So this is similar to going back in the history and adjusting something, but in this case we already know that maybe our client is going to want to adjust the size of the base or the height or the thickness or the size of the top of it, let's say. And so we can create these parameters up front and then reference them when we go to create our model. So here we're creating the parameters, we're setting them up. We've got a thickness and diameters and heights. And then here we're going to create our circle. And all we have to do is type in our parameter that we named, and it will use that default value. So once we have that parameter, and I'm just going to fix this name and double check, and the name is updated there. And we have our first parameter in our model. So we just go ahead and create a extrude with our height parameter, and then create a new sketch on top of that with another circle using our top parameter. And then we want to just create a loft from there. So loft, we select our bottom, select our top, make sure to include the center, and we want to join all that, and there we go. We have our height, top, and bottom parameters set. So now we just add our thickness, and we are good to go. So we have a little trash can. And then if we need to make changes to that, we can change our parameters, and we'll see them adjust in real time. So we can parameterize a bunch of things. And this has been parametric modeling. So make sure to like and subscribe. Don't forget to hit that bell, and leave any comments if you have ideas or suggestions for future videos. Thanks a lot and have a great day.